So it was timely that I needed a bag for my laptop and I got introduced to Himawari. Himawari, for short, Japanese designer bags on the go. Himawari means sunflower. These are bags loved all over the world in Asia, Europe, Australia, and the USA. Himawari sent these bags to me, so yeah, we'll unbox them in a bit. This is the first one. They even sent me a logo. This is the Himawari Buttercup 14 inches in cute pink and gray color. The Buttercup designs are really stylish. It looks sleek, compact, durable, it has well-padded straps, and it has a boxy shape. The second one. This is a Himawari Buttercup 17 inches laptop backpack in navy cute pink. And this is the third and my favorite one. It's the Himawari Holly 15 inches in black. I love this one, it's black. What I like about your bags is that it is functional and stylish for school or work, hiking, adventures, or that next flight. Each backpack is made with high-quality fabric, stitching, and materials, achieving world-class quality standards.